It's a good example of how these trees try to repair themselves. All this burled up roots at the bottom, you can see where it burnt out. That tree is very much alive. Amazing. Look at that weird thing. I'd say it's a branch, but it looks like a tree. Another one coming out the side of it there too. My nature being tricky. Yeah. I can tell you why. Those are trees coming out of it. This thing's dead. Oh no, it's not. It's alive up top. Look at this thing going right out the side of it. The root system comes right down here.